All right, hello. Long time no chat. I'm recording and editing quite a few videos today, so I don't really know what's going to go up first. But before I get into where I have been, I'd like to introduce Dallas and Penny Hastings, my new Sims for the Big Sister Challenge. I've done this challenge before, years ago. Gosh, I don't even know. Like back when I was in high school. So I'm going to go over the rules really quick, and then I'll get into a little bit of where I've been. So, the overview. The challenge is to create a family consisting of one big teenage sister and a child of whatever gender you'd like, unless you've been mod. Then you cannot have children alone in a lot. Never mind, that is totally not relevant anymore. You don't have to have a parent and then kill them off to have a teenager on the lot. The goal is for the bigger sister to earn money and raise her little sibling. The rules. Teenager must be a female, but the child can be whatever gender you'd like. So typically people do this with a child because this challenge came out before toddlers. I'm using a toddler. You must start out on a 20 by 15 bulldozed empty lot. The siblings must not interact with anyone else but teenagers and children, no adults or elders, until the older sister grows into a young adult. The older sister is not allowed to go to school, but the little sibling can. The older sister can have a job, but it's not required. You can make money through hobbies, i.e. painting, writing, gardening. When you start out on an empty lot, you're allowed to spend 6,000 simoleons building and furnishing the house. The house must contain the following: 2 bedrooms, 1 per sibling, 1 kitchen, 1 study for hobbies and homework, and 1 bathroom. If you have remaining money, you may spend it on a living room area only. My speed build will be at the end. You may spend 1,000 simoleons building and furnishing a garden containing at least 2 potter boxes, and leftover simoleons can be used to add more to the garden. The lot must be in Oasis Springs. The Sim's lifespan must be long. Must kill the mother or father Sim. Didn't have to do that. No longer relevant. The mother or father is allowed to come back as ghosts. Again, not relevant. They don't have parents in game. You can travel free of charge, but avoid conversations with adults or elders unless a teenager has reached the young adult age. Teenager can create relationships, such as enemies and lovers, if you choose to do so, but they are not allowed to have children until the teenager turns a young adult. You are allowed to move houses if you please, and have the funds. The younger sibling may not move out at all unless he or she dies. The bigger sister must be a female teenager, must have the big happy family aspiration, and then can have any traits. The little sibling can be any gender, can have any aspiration and any traits. And that is pretty much it. So that is why I created Dallas, the bigger sister. It took me forever to come up with her name and her style, and then Penny is the younger sister. And I already created their house. It'll be at the very end. But yeah, I'm actually really excited. I've been playing The Sims since middle school. No, honestly, earlier than that. I played like My Sims and My Sims Kingdom on the Wii in elementary school. I don't know. I've always loved The Sims, and I've played The Sims 4 since it came out, so very excited about filming it. It's so weird. But yeah, so hopefully you'll like it. Next episode should be out decently soon. So why I've been gone? I got a job. I got a job. And that's where I've been. It took out a lot of my time. Prior, I was just in school, which took a lot of my time as well. But now I'm in school and have a job. So YouTube just wasn't really fitting into my schedule very much. I was planning a wedding. I'm now officially married. Justin and I got married on October 1st. So wedding planning, school, and my job kind of kept me busy. I'm a nanny, so I watch 2 amazing kids, and that's about all I'm going to say about that. So that's where I've been. Nothing juicy or anything. I've just been really busy. I do graduate in December, so after that, it'll just be my job, and then I would love to start leaning into this channel more. Gaming. I have a few Animal Crossing episodes recorded that I'm going to be putting up as well. Maybe get into Cozy Grove. We'll see about that. Definitely The Sims. And yeah, and if I really like this, maybe I'll go back to my ASMR channel. I did take a break from that just because it got a little bit stressful. So I don't know if I'm quite ready to go back to that. But if this goes well, we can always give it a try. Maybe. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the CAS and the speed build. Do not judge my speed build. I make way cuter houses than this, but I only had $6,000 in the budget. So like one of the rooms doesn't even have painted walls, so that's a little sad. But I promise I do way better speed builds. Like I think I'm gonna do a current household episode soon, and then you'll see like that apartment is so cute, whereas this house is just not it. Also, I spent like 2 days filling this world with new households and new lots, so some of it's the same, but a lot of it's like really different. So I wanted some more interesting like parks and restaurants and karaoke bars and places to go to. So that was a lot of work. Put a lot of time into the save, and I haven't even played. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you soon. bye.